Blockchain projects have remained community-driven organizations. They offer great and exciting opportunities for participants to earn passively for free. In this video, we are going to explore the wild and often misunderstood ways you can earn crypto by performing minimal tasks. Free information that saves you from falling prey to fake crypto mining schemes, which often come with spyware, malware, and other means of exploiting the vulnerabilities in your device. As the saying goes, there is no free lunch. But in crypto, maybe there is. Oh! Because of the excitement to dive in, I almost forgot to tell you that this video is solely for information and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial or investment advice. Number 1. Airdrops. Airdrops are a marketing strategy used by cryptocurrency projects to distribute their tokens to a wider audience. Airdrops can take many forms, such as requiring users to complete certain tasks like joining a Telegram group, retweeting a post, or referring friends to the project. In exchange for completing these tasks, users are rewarded with tokens or coins. However, it's important to note that not all airdrops are genuine, and some may be scams designed to steal your personal information or tokens. It's important to do your due diligence and only participate in airdrops from reputable projects. Number 2. Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO. A DAO is a community-driven organization that operates on a blockchain. DAOs are typically managed through smart contracts and allow members to vote on decisions related to the organization's governance and direction. Some DAOs offer governance tokens or other rewards to members who participate in voting and decision-making. DAOs can be a great way to earn tokens while also having a say in the direction of the project. Number 3. Staking. Staking is a process where users hold and lock up their tokens in a cryptocurrency wallet in order to help secure the network and validate transactions. In exchange for staking their tokens, users can earn additional tokens or coins as a reward. The amount of rewards you can earn depends on the cryptocurrency project and the value of tokens you stake. Some projects also offer different staking pools, which can have varying rewards and lockup periods. Number 4. NFT drops. NFTs are unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on a blockchain. Early participants in NFT projects usually mint or redeem minted NFTs from creators for free, in order to drive traction to the project. Some NFT drops offer free tokens or coins to early adopters or community members. These drops can be a great way to get involved with a new NFT project and potentially earn valuable NFTs, tokens, or coins. Number 5. Community participation. Many cryptocurrency projects have active communities on social media and messaging platforms like Telegram, Reddit, Twitter, or Discord. By actively participating in these communities, you can stay up to date on the project's developments and likely earn rewards for your contributions. Rewards can include tokens or coins, but can also include other perks like early access to new features or exclusive merchandise. Number 6. Gaming. Another way to earn free crypto is through gaming. Most blockchain-based games offer in-game tokens or coins that can be earned through gameplay. These tokens can then be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges or used within the game's ecosystem. There are numerous play-to-earn cryptocurrency games that reward you for playing on their platforms and achieving certain milestones. Additionally, some gaming platforms offer rewards to users who refer friends or participate in community events. It's important to note that not all gaming platforms are legitimate and may include scams. As with any cryptocurrency-related activity, it's important to do your research and only participate in gaming platforms from valid projects. Number 7. Faucets. Faucets are websites or apps that give away small amounts of cryptocurrency to users in exchange for completing simple tasks, such as solving CAPTCHAs or watching ads. While the rewards for faucets are generally very small, they can add up over time, especially if you use multiple faucets. Beware that not all faucets are created equal, some faucets may be illegitimate. Always make sure you use the right faucets to earn less and accumulate for the long term. Number 8. Referral programs. Some cryptocurrency projects offer referral programs, where users can earn rewards for referring new users to the platform. The rewards for referral programs can vary depending on the project, but they can include tokens or coins, discounts on trading fees, or other perks. Referral programs can be a great way to earn additional rewards while also helping to grow the project's user base. Be sure that the project is genuine and that the referral program is not a scam before participating. Overall, it's your obligation and personal responsibility to remember that while these methods can offer free crypto, they also come with some level of risks. Always do your research and only participate in activities from authentic projects to avoid scams and protect your personal information and assets. Subscribe and follow us for more educative, informative, and exciting content. Leave a comment and let us know what you think about these freebies. Thanks for watching.